This is a review of the Terwex custom license plate frames for all types of cars, trucks, and pretty much for everything that I'm going to be doing a review about. And this review, we're going to be showing you guys everything about it. So one of the few things I want to talk about this particular license plate frame is that this is a custom text. So what that means is that you can pretty much put any type of text. And what I put for my car, I put New Edge Mustang since I own a 99 to 04 Mustang. And you can pretty much customize this to however your liking is or whatever you want to write on it. You can put pretty much any writing on it. And for my car, I chose the New Edge Mustang because my car is a 99 to 04, like I mentioned. But yeah, one of the things I love about this particular license plate frame is that the quality of this is really amazing. So it's like a stainless steel quality. It feels very nice, like a metal quality. At first I thought maybe it was plastic, but this is actually a metal quality, a really high quality for a license plate frame. And it does come with some screws that I'm gonna be showing you guys right over here. So we have some screws that I'm gonna be showing you guys right over here. These screws that it comes with. So we're gonna be using these screws and pretty much to install this license plate frame and show you guys the pretty much the finished aftermath of how it exactly looks like. So without going further, let's pretty much install this and show you guys the finished results. Okay, so this is the finished results of my license plate frame. Overall, I would definitely recommend this license plate frame if you're looking for a custom license plate text for your car. It does also offer different colors as well. I opted for black, but you could have in red, different types of color schemes. And then also, you could also have, like I said, custom text. So, like I said, for the top, you could have it as well too, like I did, and also for the bottom, so it's optional. So I chose for both, for the top and for the bottom. And it looks really amazing. I absolutely love how it turned out, and it looks really, beautiful. And it, adds a small little touch to your car, but, license plate frames really do make a big difference to your car. It gives it your personality. It gives it pretty much your, the taste that you have. And, it gives, represents what you, like overall. But yeah, I would definitely recommend this license plate frame if you're looking for a custom text license plate frame for all, like I said, this is, this license plate frame, it works for all types of cars. So you can have it on a truck, you can have it on an SUV, you can have it on a sedan. And like you can see here, I have it on my 2004 Mustang. But yeah, I would definitely recommend this product. High quality, stainless quality. It looks really amazing. The text is also, like, I'm putting my fingers in here as well too. It really is high quality. It's not like it's going to come off if you go to a car wash or anything like that, or you wash your car. It's not going to pretty much, it's not going to come off the text. But yeah, I would definitely recommend this license plate frame. If you're looking for a high quality license plate frame, then this one from Terwex is probably one of the best license plate frames you can get. And I would definitely recommend this product.